Hey everybody, it's DIY Coach Al over here at Lawn Care and Home Repair. And guys, we have had some rainy weather, then a little bit of dry weather at an inopportune time, then some rainy weather again. So we are having a little bit of dry weather. I know the grass is it's a little wet, but I'm gonna get out here. I'm gonna throw a mow on it over here. I'm gonna come over here and hit the vanity strips, and then I'm gonna come over here and hit the main yard. Uh, I have been doing, like most of us this time of year, doing the nitrogen blitz, not doing any phosphorus, any potassium. I did have my soil analysis, and my yard was actually higher, really high in phosphorus, high in potassium. Don't need to put anything else down. This is that time of year for us to just hit the grass with that nitro, especially for those of us who overseeded or those of us who renovated our lawn. We need to get more cuts on that grass to stimulate that growth. And we also need to hit it with nitro. I did hit it with that nitro max from over there at Yard Mastery a little over a week ago. I did get some of the dark matter from Lawn Life, and probably today is Tuesday. Not sure when the video is going to come out. Probably Saturday, I'll come back and hit it with that dark matter. It's already, I'm not sure. We don't have any sunlight out here right now. Forgive the jerkiness of the camera. I'm actually using a new gimbal also, but it's actually really dark. And as I said, since I have a little bit of time, I'm just going to go ahead and throw a cut on it. Got Spicy out over here so she can do her thing. No need to put Little Mama on it, but just want to get the grass cut, continue to stimulate that growth. What I'm trying to do now is to develop those roots. We are probably about a month away from our projected first frost. I'm here in the suburbs of DC in Prince George's County, Maryland. And I saw that up in the Hagerstown area, up in the mountains, they are already forecast to get some frost because our weather is pretty up and down right about now. So what I'm trying to do, or what we should be trying to do, depending upon what region you live in, we're going now into the colder climate. We want to push that growth to get that grass to spread out, till out, thicken up a little bit. But for the most part, we're trying to develop those roots that will survive the winter. So I still have a few thin spots, bare spots. I'm just going to wait for the grass to kind of fill in, not doing any more seeding. Now it's all about the nitro. It's all about developing those deep roots. The other thing I may be doing in this video, my pH balance was a little low, did a little research on that, and having a low pH balance can contribute to your grass not being as green, that yellowing that you kind of get in your grass. Having a low pH balance can also make your lawn more susceptible for weeds to come up. So I got some of that humic acid and charcoal, some Humichar from the Andersons. I may go ahead and throw some of that down too. We'll see. But definitely now I just want to push the growth and maybe throw some of that Humichar down. Y'all hang in there. I'm going to go ahead and, Spicy, you ready? Yeah, she ready. She said, put me in, coach, put me in. So we're going to go ahead and throw a cut down on it, and then maybe come back and put some Humichar down. Maybe not. You'll know what I know. Be right back. Alrighty guys, so I went ahead and threw that cut on it. It didn't take long to do this, and each time I look at this grass, I'm just impressed at how dark this is. I didn't even put the stripe on, and it's still greening up. I can see each time I cut it that it's getting darker and darker green. Not exactly sure how it's going to show on camera, but it is still thickening up in some spots, but it's just really a nice dark green. I actually cut this at about 2 inches Yeah, right at 2 inches because, as I said, I want to cut it to simulate the growth. My plan is to keep this is turf type tall fescue, keep this at 3 inches. But it's looking good. As I said, it's still filling in some spots, and that's okay because as the grass continues to mature, it's going to fill in a little bit. And this is actually, this one is the GCI, the rhizomatic turf type tall fescue. So the expectation for this TTTF is that it is going to start to spread out and repair itself, probably not for the next few seasons, but that's one of the reasons why I wanted to go with the GCI over here. And everything over here, once again, is the GCI. And what you're seeing in the main yard is a combination of the GCI Spreader Elite TTTF over here and the Lawn Life Night Shift over here. And they are really, really, really dark. And even in this infancy stage of the grass, it is actually much darker than the older cultivar that was here. So I'm not sure. I'm just kind of showing you guys back here. This is backyard. We just had an event out here with the balloon bounce and everything else. But back here also, it's just really interesting to see this new cultivar really come in, thicken up. And just I don't know, maybe a week or so ago, maybe 2 weeks ago, this area had not filled in at all. But hey, we have cool season grass. It thrives in this kind of weather. The temperature hasn't been much above maybe 70 degrees lately. And just want to show you right here is where I had that tree that I picked up, and not all of the seed germinated, but once again, I'm not even throwing anything else down here. What's here now is just going to stay that way until this spring, because now I really want to turn my focus to root growth. But I just wanted you to see just how when it comes up, this is the night shift at Lawn Life over there at Jesse's shop. It's just really, really, really nice and dark. And everywhere that I look in the yard, I can see where it's darkening up even more. And over here, where this really green stretch is, this is where I had to come and do some spot seeding. Now, my yard is a little low on pH balance. I'm not sure if it was that. We did have a slight drought over here, followed by the rain. So I'm not sure if it was not as green because of the drought, because of the rain. And I also had to deal with the fungus issue over here. And, you know, when you're putting down that fungicide, it can impact the grass just a little bit. So, but this is where I actually had to fill it in. And it's just interesting where you can see that green streak of that new seed going all the way up there. And it's like that in a few places, but overall, the yard, I can actually see it thickening up, and I can see it getting darker. So what I anticipate is that as we continue to go through the next month or so of growth, my grass really grows into, believe it or not, into early December. So that's another little less than 2 months that we have over here. I anticipate that because this is cool season grass, that it is going to thicken up more and it's going to darken up more. But I am not upset with the outcome of this renovation at all. All right, so I am going to go ahead and do what I thought about doing anyway. I am going to go ahead. Spicy, appreciate you, baby. You know Daddy loves you. You did a good job out here. I think I'm going to go ahead and throw this humichar from the Andersons down out here. We're going to get some humic acid and some biochar in this lawn so that we can get that pH balance up and help develop the soil a little bit better than it is. So I'm going to go ahead and throw this down, guys. Be right back. Hey guys, so I have just decided to go ahead and get little mama out. She's not doing too well. I'm gonna have to take her in for a checkup. She's running slow, maybe a little fever. You know, you guys pray for little mama back there. So I went ahead and threw a cut on the yard, and as I said before, I'm not sure how this looks on camera, but it's thickened up in a way that I can definitely see the progress. It is filling in, it's thickening up. I did hit it with that nitro and that iron, was it about a week ago? So next week I'm gonna come out and throw some AMS on it. Just wanted to let you guys know too, when you put new grass down, it it's not going to be as thick and lush as it will be a little bit later on in the growing season. So where there's some thin spots, you know, don't be overly concerned about it. As the grass continues to mature, you're going to see it green up. You're going to see it thicken up. If you have like Kentucky bluegrass, you're going to see it fill in. So don't be overly concerned when you have new grass that it's not looking the way you want it to look. All of this is going to thicken up, it's going to till out, it's going to do everything that it's supposed to do. But right now, it's just looking really, really, really good. I couldn't ask for anything more. We are into that time of year where this is our weather, guys. For those of us who have the cool season grasses, the perennial, the fescues, the Kentucky bluegrass, this is our time of year. Let's get those roots strengthened. Go ahead and put your root growth stimulant down. Go ahead and put your charcoal and everything else you need to help to get that soil good and to help strengthen those roots. You guys know what I always love to tell you. You may not believe this, and maybe some of you don't. I really do love you. Some people go their entire lives and not hear somebody say I love you without wanting something from you in return. Don't need anything from you other than for you to live your best life. I love you, and I'm going to ask, sorry about that, that's on the gimbal, I'm going to ask that if at all possible, go out of your way to help make somebody else's life better. Guys, I give you my word, there is no better feeling than the feeling of knowing that you've helped somebody who can't help you in return. And the third thing I'm going to tell you again, reject hate. Do not subscribe to any platform that espouses hate as a way of getting what you want. Don't do it. Reject it. Let's do our best to try to help our fellow human being, okay? You guys have an amazing day. Going to throw a video up over here. I'm not sure what it's going to be on. It's going to have something to do with lawn care, though. And you guys, please hit that like and subscribe button. DIY Coach Al out. Love you once again. Be blessed.